Hello, ET Live is Andre here at E3 2019, particularly in the Nintendo booth and particularly in the Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield section, which looks exactly like a water gym. We've got a whole crowd up there. We've got advertisements on the side. And, of course, we got people trying out for the first time Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield. You get to have all 3 starter Pokemon in your group to start out with. So you got Grookey, you got Scorbunny, you got Sobble, so you can try them all out, as well as a couple of others as well. And it's nice to be able to play this game in a location that looks like the water gym. Pretty sweet. Look at that giant Pokeball display up there. That's so cool. Look at this crowd. Hey, you guys. Calm down. It's just me. It's all good. Thank you. Crowd up there. And that gigantic screen. That is the best way to check out a video game like that. But, of course, you got all these screens here where everyone's playing this game. Coming out November 15th. So it's really cool. Now, of course, we got to talk about the stadium over here.
Ooh.
Yes, Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield.
Right.
The next in the Pokemon franchise.
Yeah.
Super excited. So tell us a little bit about that.
Come in November 15th. This is an entirely new game for Nintendo Switch. Whole new region. The Galar region has these really big open areas where you can explore freely and find Pokemon, catch Pokemon. We've even got some new Pokemon, so the game has a combination of new and returning Pokemon. Right now, I see a lot of people debating which of the initial partner Pokemon they want to choose. Maybe you have a choice.
Some Team Sobble versus Team Scorbunny versus Team Grookey.
I'm Team Sobble.
Oh, you're Sobble?
I am. Is this
like
interview
Sobble.
over?
No. Sobble's cool with me. It's cool with me.
Yeah.
Also coming out in 2019 is Luigi's Mansion 3, and now we're about to walk inside the very spooky hotel. Hopefully Luigi and Gooigi can keep me safe. Let's go inside. So everyone is in here playing Luigi's Mansion 3, and what better way to play it than in this haunted setup. It's very dark and there's music going around, and I've heard that it's possible that you might see a ghost or two pop up. We'll see if that happens. So what are people saying about Luigi's Mansion 3? People are actually being able to play it here for the first time.
Yeah, it's coming this year. It's been a while since we've had a new Luigi's Mansion game. A lot of new stuff in this one.
Yeah.
Gooigi is a character who is relatively new but plays a huge part in this game. You can basically switch between Luigi and Gooigi or play cooperatively between the two with other players. Luigi has a lot of new moves where he can take down ghosts, so he can shoot sort of a suction cup shot that helps him to take down a shield from an enemy, and he can also slam enemies around. He comes across as like a scaredy cat guy, but once he starts going against these goats, he goes into beast mode, and he's taking them out.
What better spot to finish the spot up than right at the goal, right? This has been an incredible experience. It's been so cool to check out E3 2019 with Nintendo, check out the booths, checking out the games. If you want to get more information, be sure to follow Nintendo so you can get all the details about their upcoming release of games, when they're going to come out, and what new information they want to do with each of these games. Thank you so much for following me all throughout this experience. I'm Andre, and keep staying tuned for more E3 2019 coverage with ET Live.